Now I'm going to talk about MCP Selenium Server. So MCP Selenium Server is basically for a model context protocol which supports Selenium WebDriver actions. Okay. Now we will see how can we do that. So this can be integrated. So this is instructions it has. How can we integrate Selenium Server with Cloud Desktop or any other MCP client. So here we are taking Cursr AI. So this is how I have configured here. That's it. It's a simple addition of in the JSON file, MCP JSON file. If you see here, both are working fine, file system and Selenium. Now I'll give a simple prompt to this one. So I'm asking this MCP server, Selenium server, to use Selenium to go to source demo, log into the application, add a product to the cart, verify and log out of the application. And I'll not be doing any actions. The moment I give the prompt, it will automatically launch the browser for me and it will perform the actions and close the browser. Yeah, so now it's going to do that. Yeah, it's launched the browser and it is going to enter the username and enter the password. See, all these actions are performed here. See, here it is performing all these actions. The username, password and everything. And then it is going to add it to the cart and then verifying whether product is added to the cart or not, and then remove it from the cart and then log out of the application, because these are the prompt I have given in the prompt. Perfect. It is done everything and it says successfully completed the source demo automation. So by doing all these things, adding the cart, verifying all those things and everything. Now I want to convert this into a project. Okay, let me do that. I have a prompt for this. So let me just do, I'm just asking, can you convert this into a prompt? Maybe I'll just remove the extra things. This simple prompt I'll give. I'll just say, can you convert this into Java Maven page object model in this name Selenium MCP, or I'll not give any project name, just yeah, I'm asking to create a project. Let me just see what it will do. Okay, it is going to create a page object pattern. So let's see where it is created directory. I think it is creating somewhere in the chart automation. Access denied. Okay, let's see. Now it is going to create here under Selenium MCP source demo. Source demo automation is a project name. So these are the steps which it is going to perform. And I can see that it is trying to create src main, src Java, test Java and everything. Now it is going to create some directory source demo test basically. Now let's create a POM.xml. See, it is giving step-by-step instructions what it is doing actually, or giving the information to the user what it is doing. So I have disabled the prompt, otherwise it will ask for the permission to read or write that particular file. Okay, so let's create product page class. So it's going to create a necessary class because I have asked a page object model. It is trying to create pages for each and every page which we navigated. Okay, now it is trying to create some WebDriver factory util class. Okay, some constants class which are required for the page object model framework. It is trying to create all the necessary classes, necessary constants and all these things. And finally it is going to create a test.ng XML file also and a readme.md file. So which is like, it's like useful. Okay, there is something, stop 25. Yeah, let me resume this conversation. Yeah. And then readme.md, basically it is useful for other person who is not aware of the framework. They can easily read it and then, okay, it seems it is implemented. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll give you another prompt. We can go ahead and check this one, whether it is really created or not. Let me go to MCP and see, just created now. And this is the project structure. You can see src main Java and you can see the POM.xml also. And let me open it with somewhere edge. So this is the POM.xml and all the dependencies it is added. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let me ask whether it can open it in IntelliJ IDEA or not. Open this in my IntelliJ IDEA. Let me ask that. Okay. Let's see whether it can open or not. So it is just asking me to do that. Okay. After opening IntelliJ, or let me open my IntelliJ here. Okay, some IntelliJ is opened. Again, let me ask this. Open it in my IntelliJ IDEA. I'm just checking whether it will open it or not. So it is asking me to do the same thing. Okay, let me do it. I'm going to open. I'll just go to C drive, my projects, Selenium. Yeah, Selenium MCP source demo. This is a project. Let me just do it. Okay, it is opened. Okay, this is structure and this is your file. src main, it is opened. It is having the pages, utils. Perfect. So Java. So this is my test, SAS demo test. So as we asked, it has created in page object model. This is how the card page elements, login page elements, and these are the product page elements. And using these, it has created, see, constants, it has created username and password. Instead of doing it from config properties, I think it has taken it as constants. Okay. Update factory also, it is for which browser it has to launch and everything. This source demo, I'm not sure whether it will work or not. Let me try to run and see this one. I'm running this. Okay, it is building. Hopefully it will launch and execute. Oh, perfect. It launched my Chrome browser and it is doing all the necessary action. Perfect. It is executed without any errors. And again, you can see the test.ng XML also. You should be able to run it from the XML file. That's it. Thank you.